everyone. I'm so glad that y'all were able to come out and support this local event here in Elizabethtown, Kentucky. The idea, well, I'll go ahead and introduce myself. So I'm Derya Delmar. My platform is basically CKY Entreps, which stands for Central Kentucky Entrepreneurs. And basically what I do is I like to get interviews one-on-one with business owners such as yourselves. And then I kind of turn that into marketing and advertising. So basically my brand is to be able to bring together entrepreneurs, especially locally here in Kentucky. And then the idea is to give back to the community as well. So that's what our brand stands on. I just recently published our website a couple days ago. So it's CKYEntreps.com. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, CKY Entreps as well. And then you can reach me at deryadelmar@gmail.com, working on that domain. So takes baby steps, but if you're already in the business world or wanting to pursue that, I encourage you to keep going. And I really enjoyed the opportunity with Teresa. Thank you for bringing together like-minded entrepreneurs, because those are the people that understand, right? So if we can support each other and go forward, it's a blessing. So thank you all for your time. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you.